For my second video, I want to quickly demonstrate how to manually transcribe your videos on YouTube. First, I'm going to demonstrate what it does when it captions it automatically. So this one I have not manually transcribed, and you'll notice it's actually pretty good, but it doesn't carry a lot of the necessary punctuation. So let me do that real quick. So that's what it does automatically. And now I'm going to show you how you can manually transcribe it if you're not satisfied with the automatic closed captioning. The first thing you want to do is hit Edit Video, then Subtitles Closed Captioning. So select your language, English. And then you have the option to upload a file, transcribe and auto-sync, or create new subtitles or closed captioning. When you click on Transcribed and Auto-Sync, it takes you to this page, and here you are able to play the video and type as you hear the words. Every time you begin to type, it pauses the video until you are finished transcribing, and then it plays more of the clip, and you can continue doing that until you're done. Now, for some odd reason, this is not working for me. I've tried it several times, and apparently there's an error with my video. I can watch it when I'm not trying to transcribe, but for some reason, when I try to transcribe it, it's not letting me watch the video as I transcribe. But when it's working, basically, like I said earlier, you watch part of the video and you type out the words you are hearing. As you begin to type, it'll pause the video so you can catch up. And then as soon as you stop typing, it continues to play, and then you begin typing again, and so on until you're finished. And then you can go to set timings. Sometimes you can just have it automatically because it'll set the words to where you type them, where it was pausing, and then continues after. So it's a pretty nifty way to manually transcribe the closed captionings for your videos. I'm sorry I cannot demonstrate that right now. I'm having technical difficulties, but I hope that when you try this, it runs smoothly. Thank you.